Have you ever gazed up at the night sky and asked yourself, why haven't we found aliens yet? This question is at the heart of a fascinating quandary known as the Fermi Paradox. Named after the physicist Enrico Fermi, it examines the seeming contradiction between the high probability of extraterrestrial life and our lack of contact with such civilizations. Imagine the number of stars and planets out there in the vast expanse of the universe. The odds seem high, don't they? Yet despite this seemingly infinite cosmos, we have yet to pick up a phone call, an email, or even a smoke signal from our galactic neighbors. The question that Fermi so eloquently put as, "Where is everybody?" still rings in our ears today. This paradox has led scientists and thinkers to propose a number of solutions. One of these is the rare Earth hypothesis. This suggests that the specific conditions required for life as we know it might be uncommon. Earth-like planets within a star's habitable zone could be fewer and farther between than we might think. Then there's the Great Filter, a theoretical barrier preventing life from evolving into intelligent, spacefaring civilizations. It could be a stage in development like the leap from single-celled to multicellular organisms, where most life forms hit a wall. Or perhaps it's a question of technology. Advanced civilizations might exist, but lack the means to communicate or traverse the vast distances between stars. Or maybe their ways of communicating or existing are so far beyond our comprehension that we simply can't detect them. Another intriguing idea is the zoo hypothesis. This suggests that extraterrestrials are out there but choose to avoid contact. Maybe they're observing us, studying us like animals in a zoo without wanting to interfere. Some scientists even argue that the Fermi paradox itself is flawed. It might be based on incomplete knowledge or incorrect assumptions about the universe and the likelihood of alien life. So, the Fermi paradox remains an unresolved question, an enigma wrapped in a cosmic mystery. It propels our ongoing search for extraterrestrial intelligence and fuels our curiosity about life in the universe. We've explored various solutions from the rare Earth hypothesis, the Great Filter, technological limitations, the zoo hypothesis, to the possibility of the paradox being a misconception. Each of these offers a unique perspective on the question Fermi posed. Where is everybody? As we continue to gaze at the stars, we're left to ponder the mystery of the Fermi paradox. The universe, in its vastness, remains silent, and we're still waiting for that long-awaited cosmic phone call. As we seek answers, one thing is clear: the search for extraterrestrial life is far from over. It's a cosmic conundrum that continues to perplex and fascinate us. After all, in the grand theater of the universe, it's hard to believe that Earth is the only stage where the drama of life unfolds.